Here's my recipe for creamy, cheesy rice, chicken, and broccoli. You'll need to pre-cook your chicken and rice. In a bowl, add your rice, chicken, and broccoli. You can use fresh or frozen broccoli. Mix it all together and set it aside. To make the cheese sauce, melt some butter, add some flour, and whisk it until all the flour is cooked. Once all the flour is mixed in, stir in the milk, and then stir in the broth. Stir in all the seasonings. The sauce should be thick by now. Lower the heat and add the cheese. Stir it until it's all melted. Now it's time to put everything together. Add some cheese sauce to the bottom of a baking pan. Sprinkle on a little bit of cheese. Add a layer of rice. Add more sauce, more cheese, more rice. Top it with the rest of the cheese sauce and more shredded cheese. You should let this cool for at least 15 minutes, but I could not wait. It's so cheesy, so creamy. It just melts in your mouth. I hope you give this a try. Thanks for watching.